how to use the CountIf function in Excel. CountIf function allows you to count the number of cells that meet a certain criteria. Okay, this is some information that I have. I just made up some information that I would like to apply the CountIf function to give you a good example. I'm using Microsoft Excel version 2007. And what I would like to do is I would like to extract how many families. Now I have number of males in a family, number of females in a family. Now I just would like to see how many males in a family in this area here. Okay, you want to count to see how many males in a family. Let's say particular. Backtrack that a bit. Let's say I want to see how many males, how many families that have one male in that family. We want to count that. Okay, so let's start with getting information about that. First, we need to do enter, position our cursor where we would like the output, the result to be displayed, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to show you how to do the formula manually. I'm also going to show you how to do the formula automatic with assist from the application. Okay, we're going to start with entering the equal sign, type in the word count, if, open bracket, enter the range, the entire range where you want to do the search on, which is in the case is from D42 to D50. So I'll enter D41 here, colon, D50, and put a comma. Now my criteria is, like I said, how many males, families with one male. Alright, so put the number 1, space on number 1 and close the bracket. Just press enter. Okay, the result is 3. So if you want to verify, we could see, just double check quickly, there's Johnson, Wheatley, and Muhammad in this column here. So you can see how you can make this work. Now this is a simple spreadsheet, and you can see how you could make it effective. It is a large database that you would have to work with. Okay. Now I also want to show you how you could use this. Now we did this doing a search on numbers. Now let's say I want to do a search on a particular word or something like that. Okay. You want to see in the same database, want to see how many families have the surname of Muhammad. What I'll do, I'll make it easy. I'll copy this formula. I'll go into Home, select Copy, position my cursor here, and just click on Paste. Now, I'll edit this formula, and I'm going to type in, remove the one that I had, and I'm going to put Muhammad. Sorry. And I'm going to put parentheses, enclose this Muhammad with parentheses. Just press enter. There you go. Now let's look at the database. We have one Muhammad here, one here, one here. So we have 3. So that's correct. So this is how you could use your CountIf to check like numbers, figures, and also to check characters as well. Letters. Now let me show you how you can do the CountIf using the application. The application helps you. To insert the CountIf application, you can go into Insert, Formulas, click on Insert Function, and you just scroll down this list here, and look what you're looking for, CountIf, say OK, and then you're going to enter the range. You could click on this area here to, you can either type it in if you know what the range is, or you could start from here, click here, and just highlight the rest of information. Press enter, and then the criteria, whatever it is, may it be 2 or whatever. So in our case, we're going to use our criteria as we're looking at the number of females now in the family. And we're looking for the number of families with 2 females. So we're going to put our criteria as 2. Enter that. And you could see right here, it gives you a result right away before you actually let it enter yourself. So you know, you can see before you do anything that it is working. And you can also see this area here that only different, it gives you the results of information in that range of cells that you highlighted here. Okay, so let's press OK and give you an answer. Like, we already see what the answer would be. So it's inputted in that area that you would like to have, you want to have the results posted. And another way you could get the CountIf, go to more functions, select statistical, and you have all the different functions in this area here. Just scroll down, click on CountIf, and you get in the same little box like what we had before when we selected the insert function option. Okay, basically that's it. I hope it can help you. I just did a project a while ago. I was wondering, I did it the long way. And I said, hey, there should be a way I could do this very simply. And I did my research and I found this CountIf function. It was very helpful. So I hope it is helpful to you as well. Before I forget, the version of Excel that I'm using is 2007. Okay, thanks for watching.